The song I would like to sing is about I was popularized again by Asin. Alright guys, here we go. Para sa inyo lahat. And of course, would like you to support my Shopee product. Check out nyo lang. Yan. Thank you, Shopee.